So good morning to one and all. So today in this video we are going to discuss about She Marrow share. So in the previous videos we have discussed about we have discussed about Magma as well as Century Extrusions. We have also discussed about Bajaj Finance and IndiaMart. So people have not watched the video, they can watch the video and they can check the levels for investment. So in this video we'll discuss the complete fundamentals as well as the technicals of She Marrow Entertainment. Okay, so technicals are going to be very important. Okay, today it has actually given a small breakout, so we need to watch the levels if you want to invest in this particular stock. So if we see the overview of the company, we can see that current market cap is around 168 crores, and if we see dividend is around 2.66, and we can see industry P is 17.52 and current P is 2.5. So we can say that it is available at a very fair valuation, and you can also see that book value is around 208, and we are getting it at 60 rupees. So we can say that how less we are getting this share. Okay, and if you see the deliveries, you can see that a good amount of deliveries is seen around 70%. Now we'll see the shareholding pattern of this company. So shareholding, you can see that promoters are having a good amount of 65.88%, and it has increased if we compare in quarter on quarter. And next, if we see pledging is not there, a very good indication, and we can see FI's holding has remained flat and slightly decreased. So and DI's holding is also 5%, and next mutual fund holding is not there. So major, we can say that big financial institutions as well as banks have not yet started accumulation in this stock, even though it has a very good future as it belongs to entertainment sector. So we know that She Marrow, we also have YouTube channels, okay, 3 to 4 YouTube channels, and we know that it has a very huge viewer base. You can also see the subscribers and all, 23 plus million subscribers, and also it does movies, is also into movies department also. So this is the major business of She Marrow. So next, when we see the 52-week high as well as low, we can see that 52-week low is 40 and 52-week high is at 357. So we are getting it at a very low price. So even if we consider the pre-COVID levels, it was around 200 plus only. Okay, and it has remained particularly drowned for very so many days because of its profits as well as results. It has remained in downtrend, but now it's we can say downtrend momentum has started reducing and it started retracing. So we'll try to find out the levels. Okay, if you see the returns of the company, we know that almost it has given negative returns in all time frames. Only in 3 months 0.16% return, and in 1 year almost 80% negative returns was given by this particular company. So next slides will see the strengths, weaknesses as well as opportunities which are available in this particular company. So we can see that promoters increasing shareholding and efficient in managing assets to generate profits, and company is with a low debt. Okay, and we know that promoters having a zero pledging, and book value per share improving since last 2 years. So book value is playing a very crucial role in this company also. We need to keep that point also in mind. And FIs and FPIs institutions are increasing their shareholding. So these are the basic strengths, and we can see that these are very good strengths for this particular company. So what are the weaknesses? So we can say that mutual funds degrowth in revenue and profits. I told that the results were not that great for this company, and declining in quarterly net profit. And we know that because of the lockdown also there will be no sponsors for the particular company, and that's why these companies like entertainment will drastically decline in profits as well as revenue. So nothing to worry. We need to focus only on future. Next, we can see recent results. So these are only the negatives of this company. Only financial results are negative. So next, when you see the opportunities, you can see that today it has given a positive breakout. So resistance 1. So stock with the low PE. So these are the basic opportunities available in the stock, and no threats to the company so far. So what the forecast is telling, so this is based on simply Wall Street analysis. So we can say that earnings are forecast to grow 28.8% per year. So it's forecasting that according to simply Wall Street, it's telling that earnings are to grow 28.8% per year. So this is a very good indication for this stock, and PE ratio is 2.5x below the Indian market, which is 12.5x. So we know that when we are into stock market, we mainly focus on value investing. So people who are interested in value investing can invest in this stock. So we'll see the levels. So when you see the levels of this chart, we can see that it's on 1 week chart. So we can see here, what you can see here, the momentum is continuously decreasing. So when small candles are forming and it's decreasing downward, so we can see that momentum is decreasing and it's taking support at 60 and as well as 61. So tomorrow if you get a chance to invest at these levels, then definitely you can invest for a target of minimum you can expect 150 in near term. It may take very long time. Okay, this is weekly chart, right? So almost it may take so many weeks, so we need to wait patiently. This is for long term point of view only. So if you want to invest in long term perspective, then you need to invest at 60s levels and you need to wait for long view. Okay, this share has very good future in long term point of view only. Don't do short term trading in these type of stocks. So in 1 day chart also you can see today it has given breakout from the 60.98 and it is moving upward. So tomorrow if you get a chance to invest in this, so invest in small quantity and leave it. Don't touch it again, don't sell anything, just leave it and let us see what will happen in the future. Okay, always invest in small quantities and focus on the levels. So this is all about She Marrow Entertainment. In next video we'll discuss about another share. So until then, take care, bye bye.